Rarely does anybody talk about the mental fortitude of raising capital and the mental well-being of a founder. I'm not embarrassed to say this at all. The last round, we got 187 no's before we got our first 3 yeses. And these no's, especially at the beginning, are devastating. No matter how many no's you get, there's light at the end of the tunnel, and somebody eventually will say yes. You just have to have the stamina and the grit. So we've had a total of $18.2 million invested over those 3 rounds. So seed, pre-Series A, and an official Series A. How did we gain them? Look, I mean, hat in hand and knocking doors. So do your homework. What is the portfolio companies of that VC? What do they like to see? Is it growth? Is it a path to profitability? Who are you speaking to? Are there any specific buttons? Can you get a referral from somebody that person knows, or a portfolio company that they've already invested in? It makes the conversation a lot more easier than just going in with, I have an idea, can you give me some money?
Scalability is extremely important because that's what growth is. There are very important pain points that are there today that could result in more businesses or a strong uptake of their product. And definitely the teams that are there that are working on these projects are very critical, very important in the fact that this will give them that opportunity to grow